Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn more about the options to select colors in TwistedBrush. There are numerous ways to select a color in TwistedBrush Pro Studio. The first is to use the color picker tool. You can also use the brush color modifier. Here you can choose between some common colors and patterns. You can also search for a color by typing its name in the search box. Another way is to click on one of the 4 current color boxes. The color bar keeps 4 selected colors available at any time. The outline box is the current color that will be used to paint with for most brushes. Some brushes use all 4 colors from the color bar. Additionally, some filters and some tools make use of the current colors. Right-click on a color box to pop up the option menu. The Set to Current Color menu item will copy the current color to the Click Color box. The Swap with Current Color menu item will swap the current color with the Click Color box. The Select Color with Windows Color dialog menu item will allow setting the color with the standard Windows Color dialog. The Select Color by Name option will open the same Select Brush dialog as the Brush Color modifier. You can adjust a selected color with the RGB or HSL sliders. The HSL, hue, saturation and luminance, and the RGB, red, green and blue, models are shown at the same time. You can freely interact with either set of sliders in any combination. Drag or click anywhere on the sliders to change the values. The colors within the sliders dynamically update, so that anywhere you click on the sliders will be the exact color you select with the exception of the hue range. Hold Shift and click on a slider to do a fine adjustment of only 1 unit. Right-click on a slider to pop up a menu with additional options. The Fine-Tune settings will display a dialog where you can adjust RGB settings with numeric values. Clicking on a color palette will select the color. No matter of the selected tool, clicking on a reference image or a scratch layer reference will select the color. Another option is to use the quick command buttons. The Adjust Brush tool also allows HSL adjustments,